Yo, welcome back, Nick, Adam. We are doing the rewire job that you saw in the last video. Kitchen's done, capped. To be fair, it's not done. We forgot the outside light, didn't we? I forgot the outside light. Hallway's done. Lounge is done. What I've done is I've run the upstairs sockets, obviously from down here, dropped the drops down like this. We've drilled down, you'll probably be able to see better here through that hole, and obviously we're just going to go and chase that today. But today's video is sponsored by Ideal. So Ideal got in contact with me, sent some bits over. So you've seen these in those videos before, especially these, the Ideal strippers. These are the same as Adam's. You've got the blue version, haven't you? Yeah. So these are exactly the same. The twin nerve strippers, don't flex, everything like that. So sent us a few boxes of goodies. So thank you very much, Ideal. I'll put all the link to your stuff below, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that sort of stuff. But this is the video where we've got two special guests. So we've got Sam and Amy, like I said in the last video. They'll be here any second. So I'm going to give some of them the Ideal goodies they can play with. We've nearly finished. We've got upstairs sockets to chase in and upstairs lights. Probably wise that I'm not stood on the customers. Plasterboard, cheers, Ad. Adam's got his hearty, healthy meal with him today.
I've already had that, haven't I?
You've already, your minion brioches, yeah? So, what we're going to do today, we're going to have a race competition who can chase the double socket in quickest. And let Amy and Sam have a go with the Metabo, chase the walls. Got some loft work to do. Yeah, we're just going to have a bit of fun, really. We haven't got loads left to do here, so it's nice that they can join us. As I say, I've spoken to Sam now for what, about a year?
Yeah.
Never met him. Never met him, so that was very polite. You can leave that trash outside.
Better than your Bosch. You can bleep that though.
Yeah, I will, yes. Velocity as well, yeah?
Yes,
nice that is. Right, Sam's here, Amy's here. Hi, say hi, Amy.
Hi.
Hi. Right, I already said what we're going to do with chasing.
Yes, you have.
So Sam's going to go first.
Yeah, I'll smash everyone out.
With Bosch. No, not Bosch, sorry, DeWalt.
Proper man's tools.
We
Not DIYer's tools, yeah?
Right, okay, so we're going to time each person, and then what's the winner get? What's the winner get? Nothing rude.
I don't know.
That's loud.
Well, look how old it is, bro.
What the heck? Right, Sam's going first.
Is that right there, or was I going to blind the camera?
I'll do it this way.
Not blind camera. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, already hit a stumbling block.
Boom. You happy with that, yeah?
Well, I'm not happy with it, but my knees are sore.
I did offer you knee pads.
I know, but I'm...
Right, Adam's go. We're not using that stuff anymore. Bosch all the way. Yeah?
Yeah.
You ready?
I think so.
Got everything you need. Do you want your glasses?
I need back box now.
You're going to wear your glasses, aren't you, Adam?
Yeah. I couldn't wear mine because I'm too fat and they stand up.
They did, yeah. But Adam's going cycling after, aren't you, mate? So.
Yeah. Can I borrow your jacket?
Yeah. Fair enough. Right, I'll stick it down there.
Right, let's go. Come on. Got a back box.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry about the back box. Get going.
Junction.
Do I go? Yeah.
No.
Oh. Look at Nick trying to see the jacket.
3, 2, 1, go. Nearly there?
Yeah, I think that's
That's it, I'll do it, right.
Be grateful, I'll put you in the middle of greatness there.
It's going to look great. Oh, he's still fiddling?
No, mate, he's been about 10 minutes. That's all I'm saying, Nick. You best come better than this. If you don't, you'll get finished. You're out. You lost all your credibility. You lost against a fat Spark. I'm going to talk. all the way through.
And keep swearing.
Yeah.
Keep swearing as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Make my life difficult. Done? Yeah. Right, Amy's go. Adam was alright. We'll see, because we haven't timed it now.
Definitely smashed him.
Right, well, I think Amy's going to smash you.
Guaranteed you don't.
Boom.
Right, it's my turn now.
Right, this is Bundo, yeah, and he thinks he's double hard. He's invited me round and then dropped a competition on me at the last minute. Right, Amy's just done this and blown up the wall. Right, all I'm saying is, yeah, well, I won't say it.
Box, mate.
That's twice as fast as you.
Twice has ruined the wall. That's going to cost 60 quid to fix that. Right, Bundo, what do you reckon? Do you think you're hard?
Very.
Do you think you're going to be able to smash my time? Because currently I'm in the lead.
Do you think you are?
Oh, I have to be. That can't count. That's a see that? That is a travesty.
Right. Ready? Do you want time it on your phone, Anne, so we've got the comparison so I can rub it in his face for the rest of the day?
Time it up phone. Time it up phone.
What's up, phone?
Where's Betty's Hot Pots? Are we going for Betty's Hot Pots at lunchtime?
What's that mean?
It's just as a northern thing, isn't it? What do you mean?
Amy?
Do you want to time it?
No, it's a northern thing.
Yeah, we're
We wouldn't know from the
Midlands.
Midlands.
What do you call a roly-poly?
You.
A roly-poly.
There's another thing they call it in the Midlands, isn't it? Don't say you as well.
A poly. Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
So what you didn't see on camera is the reason we had to cut away because this was already done. So you come back to it when it was already halfway done. Well, we don't know yet.
You good job.
Place them all
Right, everyone's arguing now who's won.
What about this?
I won.
You take a picture of yours, put it on Instagram.
My house.
He takes a picture and puts it on his Instagram and see whose is the best.
What, all 4 of us want to do it right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it then. Go and get your
Alright, so after Sam's rambling. Mine. Amy's.
Yeah, that one is one.
Sam's. And Adam's. So what we're going to do now is, well, we're going to have to chase down from each one. Oh, hang on, we've still got 1, 2. Yeah, we've not finished them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to do. Cables are already pretty much run from yesterday. We've got to bring the smoke alarm up. We've got to do all the lighting upstairs. So when we start doing that, I get Amy and Sam to go with the wall chaser. Sorry, it's really dark today. Get some boxes knocked out on the wall. Run some cables, and that's pretty much first for today. Got the bathroom to do, but that's only going to take 5 minutes. And then we've got our channel up there to bring access for power upstairs, lights and sockets, and then the boiler feed for the loft. Right, no swearing. Amy, how was it?
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I want one.
Yeah.
Is it in the shop, guys?
Go on then, Sam.
Right. See what this is all about? Can't even get it working. How do you work it, fool?
Push, there's a lever.
Oh. Perfect.
Good, isn't it?
That's life changing, isn't it?
You can see your house rewire when you've got to go around. You can do literally all the chases within about 2 hours. Done. And there's bare that justice from that. Literally, you get no airborne dust or anything.
That's perfection.
amazing.
That is perfection. Do you not use? I know we've done the competition earlier on doing the chasing out. Do you not use the chasing boxes? You've seen them?
Yeah. So you saw me do that one. So I'm just showing Amy that you can use the chaser to do that.
Come on, Ames.
It's getting skimmed anyway, so I think just a chisel bit, 2 seconds on that will fit in.
No. Have you seen the actual, like they're like a box, and then so it whizzes out a circle, and then go around
with the arm egg one. Yeah, I've used one before. It didn't work. It's only good on breeze block. That is it. But the amount of time you actually get to use it on breeze block is non-existent.
Yeah.
It's not me. Whose phone's that? Adam, is that you? Is it? Sam and Amy just nipped to Tesco, get some food. We're doing all the sockets, not filmed anything for ages because we can't really film much because it's just so noisy all the time. Sinking all the sockets in, chasing all that. Sam and Amy absolutely in love with the Mataro, which is it's a sick bit of kit, it really is. I chased a few of them out with the chaser, I know. So gone round, put the oval conduit on it all over there. So we're just sort of finishing, well, sockets are finished now. I've done a bit of a sweep up in here. We're going to do a bit more in there, sweep up in there, put some of the boards back down. I've just run the second smoke alarm circuit, we've got a boiler circuit, and Adam's just going to feed up the 1.5 mil for the lights. And then when Sam and Amy get back, we'll do some lights and some of that. Fortunately, as much as I'd like to sit still and have a chat with them all, I've got to get this done. As soon as we get the lights in, I can sit and chat, because I've actually got another job to go to at Hoppersford. Right, Sam and Amy have finally come back from their round trip of Stafford that only took 6 hours. So I'm just going to rip the old board off, but ask Amy questions at the same time. So Amy!
Hello.
Hello there. Why did you want to become a Spark? It's such an...
I've
stage in your life.
I've been asked this question so many times.
I know, trust me, you've got to just go with it.
I don't really know.
So what did you do before?
I used to work as like a teaching assistant in special needs schools.
Yeah.
And then in 2016 I took a year out, went travelling.
Nice, where'd you go?
All around Southeast Asia and some of Europe, like on the trains.
Cool.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. And then when I got back, I just wanted a challenge. Both my brothers are Sparks. I've always been sort of...
Oh, I didn't know that. That's cool.
Yeah. So...
Hang on a sec. Yeah?
Get up here now.
Just press that little button on top. Yeah, yeah, so your brothers are both Sparks.
Yeah, I've always been interested in it. So I fancied a challenge and that was it. I didn't really tell anyone. I just went to college and people sort of just found out. And
it's cool though.
It is cool. I love it. People thought I was a bit mad, I think, at the beginning, some people, but...
Well, it's better to do it now. Are you doing an apprenticeship? What are you doing at college?
No,
then?
I did it full time at college.
Yeah, same route as me then.
Yeah, level 2, level 3.
No, you're just getting work experience as when you can.
Yeah.
And then, what's the plan eventually, do you know?
I don't really know yet. I don't know. I don't really think about it. I'm just happy at the minute, just working.
Yeah.
And
building your social media.
yeah.
Well, that's it now, isn't it? I mean, like when I first started, there was no Instagram, Electricians or YouTube, Sparks and whatnot. And
You've been doing it since school?
yeah, I left school straight to college.
Yeah.
From college, worked for a few different people at the same time of being at college.
Yeah.
And then sort of went on my own too early, really. It was sort of, I still lived at home with mum and dad. I had to go self-employed to work with a company to subcontract. And once that came to an end, they offered me a job, but it was miles and miles away.
Yeah.
I wasn't interested, and then Dad was like, well, you still live at home, get yourself a van and try it out. And it was great, but I was way too young to do it. And I keep telling people nowadays, it's get yourself 4 or 5 years for on-site experience.
Yeah.
And then from there, not only do you know the work then, but then it's trying to manage diaries, customers, invoices, quote, paper. It's just...
Yeah, it's a lot, isn't it?
All you do is keep going from one thing to the next. I mean, I'm still learning now, do you know what I mean? I think we always are, probably.
So how long have you been on your own?
10 years.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, since I was 18. I came straight from school, what was this, 16, 17, yeah, self-employed at 18 to work for this company, and then just went from, as soon as I ended, straight from there. So I think I was 18 when I was like doing my own jobs, which was terrifying. If you think Adam's 17.
Wow.
Yeah. But it was good, right? It was good, but I had the fallback of living at home, no mortgage, no kids, no nothing.
Yeah.
And you see all the sparks nowadays are like trying to retrain with kids and mortgages. It's so difficult.
It's really hard.
Because the money you want to start with is just crap.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
what should we do now? That's done. They're doing that.
Sorry, please.
You got absolutely owned then.
That's what I bought you for.
Right.
Drive me home now.
Drive over. We spent too much time talking, and Sam's been in the loft. Did you get in the loft? You were in the loft once.
I went up the loft.
Yeah, well done, mate.
Barely got up there, but you know.
No, it's a fairly decent sized hatch. So
That's rude.
I'm going to carry on working. You got to say it. You got to say it the way I say it.
What?
Bye. You got to say it long.
Bye.
But more effort, please.
Bye.
I wasn't even pointing at you either. Right, enjoy. Love you, bye. Nice to see you. See you in a bit.
See you later, man.
Ciao, ciao. Right, now Amy and Sam have gone. I can stop talking and actually get on to the work. It's been really nice having him here. Sam, I've spoke to him for over a year, never met the guy, cracking bloke. Same as Amy, talked about loads of different things. We're gonna have a chat at some point about her getting into the industry properly and all the difficulties she's faced, because let's be honest, a woman in the trade, any trade, is a big thing. There's not enough of it. They have such a hard time for it. It's not really on. So she told me a few things that I was a bit like, why would people do that sort of stuff and say these sort of things? Anyway, that's for a different video. I'm just going around now with pen and paper. Oh, that's ideal. Pen and paper, marking the downlights out. The drops are staying down, the heat alarm's staying down, everything else being pushed up. Just spoke to the customer. He just said, yeah, we'll board everything up, leave the drops down. So I trust that he will, unlike other builders anyway. So let me get this done, then we'll do a wrap up. Right, so we're finished first fix. 3 days, 2.5 days really to get it all in. Everything's linked up, everything's labelled, everything's chased in, everything's tucked in. Using over conduit, just left a bit more on here. Power to all the switches, which makes a change for us. The door's been moved out. Are you in the donut? Yeah, just loads of slack on that. But this door tomorrow is getting pushed to here. So it's been good. It's easier in it with no ceilings. If every job was like this. My face is because of the light. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. I'll put a link to Sam and to Amy's Instagram. Go give them a follow. And Adam. Jam donut face. And yeah, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, old guy over there, look to you.